We are defined by two giant forces: the skillful heritage of craftsmanship interlocked with the incessant drive for technological excellence. These strands of past and future, emotion and technology merge in our brand's DNA, linked by one unique ingredient, the human element. Inspired by people's lives, made to empower their passions. Today, evolution takes a leap one more time. People are changing from boat experts into experience seekers who require a single marine solution. Today, the unique Yamaha formula, centered around the human element, gives rise to a new generation of premium engines and delivers the most customer-focused, high-end outboard range on the market. The iconic heritage of the F300B merges with our unique XTO technology in the brand new V6 family's DNA. Paired with the innovative Helm Master EX rigging and autopilot, a Yamaha unique marine system is complete. These high-tech solutions expand the premium boating lifestyle, meeting the vastest range of customer desires in complete control and comfort. This human element, as a building block of our Yamaha DNA, ignites our passion so we can empower yours. Premium Outboard Range V6 Evolution. Your passion, empowered by Yamaha.